messed it up. So that's just gonna have to keep
Are
happening.
you inside of my house? Oh,
No, I was outside of it. Wait, is it morning? I was canceling an upload that I mislead. Why? I suck at shooting. So this video is probably gonna go out on its own, and I really don't care. My sister's still working on the house. It's in progress.
I'll have to do my last wall. Then I'll show you guys how, oh my god. I'll show you guys how I do the balcony if you're wondering how I do it or what do I do with it. I don't usually do it with bricks.
Bricks are awesome.
Just to let you know. I don't do it with bricks.
I like how the bricks make it look
Because you know how regular balconies are at apartments. You don't
Look down below.
bricks.
It
That was creepy.
was?
Yes, it was.
You sure?
Yes, it was.
Listen.
No
Look behind
screen
you.
sheet.
You mad?
Of course I'm mad.
Hello.
This
Ooh.
nigga's creeping me out.
Ooh, look down. Look down.
This ghost is creeping me out.
Ooh, you're not even looking at me. Look at me.
I think my house is gonna be haunted.
Look at me.
Oh my god.
You know you want to. Give me a hug.
Back up,
Give
dude.
me a hug.
Back up, dude.
Give me a hug.
Back up, dude.
I just want a hug.
Back up, dude.
Give me a hug.
You want a hug?
Yes, I want a hug.
Come on. Thoughts. Get away from me. Oh, look, there's a ratchet old spider. I hate
Oh, this
those.
is hit the target. Found his skin.
And also, for any YouTubers,
This guy here, a creeper.
any YouTubers that subscribe to my brother, you can actually meet us in person. Sticky, move.
Explosions. Oh crap!
Move.
Battery went dead. You're gonna have to wait.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you for watching, and hopefully when I upload this, the house will be done. And I'll try to help out the best I can. Bye! Peanut butter jelly.